Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer subscription billing to Shopify and Stripe correctly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer subscription billing to Shopify and Stripe, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Search for and install a subscription app compatible with Shopify, such as Recharge or Bold subscriptions. Once installed, follow the app's setup instructions to integrate it with your Shopify store. Next, log into your Stripe account. Ensure that your products are set up for subscription billing within Stripe. Head to the Products section in your Stripe dashboard. Create a new product specifically for subscriptions. Define the pricing model, including billing intervals such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Return to your Shopify subscription app to link the new Stripe product to your Shopify offerings. Configure any necessary customer notifications for subscription renewals and cancellations. Test the setup by creating a dummy subscription order on your Shopify store. Check the Stripe dashboard to confirm the transaction is successfully processed. Review your Shopify settings to ensure that the subscription billing shows accurately for your customers. Monitor any customer feedback or issues during the initial rollout. Make adjustments as needed based on the feedback received. Once satisfied, finalize your subscription setup and prepare to launch it publicly. This ensures a smooth transition for both your business and your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.